What's up, world? It's Black Ace 36 today. I'm going to be doing a lesson today on the chromatic scale using the word chromatic means relating to or playing notes not belonging to the diatonic key in which a passage is written. Essentially, a guitar chromatic scale is basically all 12 notes, right? So, if you're starting at E, you go O, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. So there's all 12 vibrations in that particular key. What I'm going to show you is a cool way to practice this. And it's going to make you better at guitar. So, I'm going to be doing it in A minor, and it goes like this. We're going to break it down like this. It goes 1, 3, 4, next string, 1, 3, move over 1 fret, and 1, 3, 4. And then, of course, backwards. Okay, so what's going on here on the 5th fret is I'm doing 1, 3, 4, down, 1, 3, okay, and then that's the pattern. Then again, I'm moving over 1 fret to move down the guitar, right? That's what's making this chromatic. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, right? Down a fret. Restart. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3. Down a fret. Restart. Down a fret. Restart. And then, of course, you can practice it backwards too. So, strumming, I want you to practice up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So, So this is a cool thing to know because, I don't know, it's chromatic, and it can be done in any key, of course, and it can be done on any string, and in any way, you know? So in music, chromatic is generally a term that is used to describe a variety of different colors and their different shades. So on a guitar, it's the variety of different frequencies and vibrations, just like visually in art, it's the same thing. It's the frequency and vibration that emits the different variations of the colors. Fascinating, right? And And yes, so basically when you are going up these scales, you're ending, your E ends at the next octave up. And you have half stepped all the way through every note possible, every frequency possible with one note from E to the next octave of E. You went all the way through F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, all the way down. So that is chromatic scales. I have a Patreon, and please subscribe. In the description is going to be links to some cool stuff. So see you soon. Probably tomorrow.